1/8 of the way?
So there's eight bridges, and the floor's halfway,
So first bridge, but there were 7 bridges. Crushing it. Ryan says we're 1/8 of the way. I don't know what that means, but 3 more footbridges until we're halfway. Whew! There's little kids on this trail, so they're putting me to shame. Okay, listen. There's a dude just peeing right off the trail back there. Like literally 2 steps off the trail. Like you couldn't have found a more discreet place in these woods. Right? Did you see that? So awkward. Trying to like avert eyes. Ugh. Ugh. Sure is pretty though. Aside from the rogue wieners.
I mean, it's not hard, but it's not easy.
It ain't hard, he says. I mean, I don't think it's like walk in the park. Oh, we're a half a mile up. It's 1.2 miles vertical, 1,200 foot climb. So I mean, I don't think it's like not hard. Men. Here's the problem too. There's like little girls behind us, and I just can't really bring myself to let them pass me. Mostly because Ryan made a comment like, don't let those little girls pass you. So I'm like speed walking up this hill, okay? Up this mountain, whatever you want to call it. will say that I think we've lost the people behind us, so I feel good about that.
It is really pretty though. You like follow this cascading creek the whole way, and then it's just like straight up cliffs on both sides.
That's very cool.
Very rocky.
Oh no, here comes little girls. Fourth bridge, halfway.
So we stopped and grabbed a couple of cold IPAs to have at the top, and then you know, got them in the car, so they do sound pretty good.
They sound real good. Though you're not supposed to have alcohol up there, so I also felt like, we better not break the rules. I was also gonna say, to walk to the trailhead is a flat path that's not part of the actual hike.
Part of a longer bike trail.
It's part of a longer bike trail. I thought it was part of the mileage. No. No, no, no. Not part of it at all. You need to walk it to get to the climb, basically. Alas, we're almost there. Oh, bye-bye. My new little buddy is hitchhiking with me. So, next little fact about this trail is that in 2020, there was a fire that burned for 5 months called the Grizzly Creek fire. And I actually think I remember it back then amidst COVID and all the fires. Y'all, there was like a 4-year-old that we just passed. 4. I'm pretty sure he was 4. 4 or 5. Still. Like, can you picture? I can't even picture my 6-year-old climbing this trail. Whew. Alright. Crushing it. Still. Really regret not bringing those beers though. We just saw a guy with a beer in his bag. Next time.
It looked alright. Need it? Do you need it yet?
No.
You sure?
This is the, what I'm going to call the tame part of the trail. I think I needed the first one after the big climb. I don't know. Are we done climbing?
Oh, yeah,
This is
760 feet.
Oh. Oh. We've climbed 768 feet. Huh, that's neat. So 500 to go. Oh. Say that again? 7,164. 7,164 elevation. Now we're hiking the 3-minute extra up to go behind a waterfall. Hopefully it's worth it. Feels cold. Okay, recap time. Oh, there's people. Just a minute. It's weird to talk to yourself on camera when you come across people. All right. Hardest part is complete, and we're headed down. Crushed it. Easy peasy. We think thus far in our small book of trail hiking that one probably ranks number 1. However, my only con is how busy it is, but the view at the end makes it worth it. And I'm really shocked by how busy it was because of how strenuous it is. But I don't know, I guess you see the end result and you need to do it for yourself, I suppose. Right, Ryan?
Yeah.
Anything else to say?
Nope.
Nope. A man of few words. We just recapped this together. Okay, gotta show you something. We were up there. I don't know if you can see the people. All right, now we're down, heading back to the babes, and have our probably lukewarm beer. Right. See ya. Okay, one more thing. Can you imagine doing this trail high or even like drunk? But I keep smelling pot every now and again. And I'm like, how? I mean, I'm not a smoker or a, edible doer, but like I just can't imagine. Can't. I mean, you do you, but I can't imagine. Crazy. That'd be hard. I guess it's not shrimp, so I don't know.
What's that?
I'm just talking about drugs. Like, can you imagine doing pot in this trail?
You smell it quite a bit.
But like, I don't know. I don't frequent the pot much, so I don't know how it would affect me on the trail, but I can't imagine it would be a good thing for me. With as strenuous as this hike is, like you're going up and you are just can't breathe, you're sweating, pouring sweat. But the minute you get up to that boardwalk and it clears, like all the exhaustion goes away. And then going down, I mean, yeah, you're still using other muscles that way, but that's kind of a different kind of difficulty, but oh, recording. So what I'm trying to say is it's worth it. The climb is worth it. The people are worth it. It's good.
The people are worth it?
Like
what does that even mean?
What I mean is
people are worth it.
No,
you're worth it into yourself.
What I mean is there's a lot of people on this trail.
You got it in here, in your heart. There's
a lot of stopping and waiting and moving over, and that's just part of it. I'm not like always the biggest people-y person. What I'm saying is it's worth it, okay? Should have shut my mouth before I opened it, but that's it. I also need to tell you, before coming to this trailhead, you need to have a permit. They'll check your permit when you pull in. We pulled in behind a vehicle and they actually had to turn around and go out. And then they check it again at the trailhead. So You do have to pay to hike it.
You have a time.
What?
You have a time.
Oh, and you have to set a time. You have to make a reservation. So I made this reservation like a week ago, I think. And it was the last one actually for this day. So we got super fortunate to do it at this time. We did it at 3 p.m. Would have loved to do it in the morning. Ryan actually was supposed to have a guided fishing tour, but that got canceled due to all the rain. So that's kind of a bummer, but maybe we can find another one for him and you, Ray.